Book of Heaven, Volume 2, July 4th, 1899. Jesus speaks about disturbance. This morning, as Jesus renewed in me the pains of the crucifixion, our Queen Mama also was present, and Jesus, speaking of her, said,
"My own kingdom was in the heart of my mother, and this because her heart was never disturbed even slightly, so much so that in the immense sea of the Passion she suffered immense pains. Her heart was pierced through by the sword of sorrow, but she did not receive the slightest breath of disturbance. Therefore, since my kingdom is kingdom of peace, I was able to extend my kingdom within her, and to reign freely without any obstacle."
As Jesus kept coming other times, seeing myself all full of sins, I said to him, "My Lord Jesus, I feel I am all covered with wounds and grave sins. Oh, please, I beg you, have pity on this miserable one." And Jesus,
"Do not fear, for there are no grave sins, and besides, one must have horror for sin, but not become disturbed, because agitation, wherever it comes from, never does good to the soul."
Then he added,
"My daughter, you are victim, as I am. Let all your works shine with the same intentions as mine, pure and holy, so that finding my own image in you, I may freely pour the influence of my graces, and I may offer you, adorned in this way, as fragrant victim before divine justice."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.